Have you ever wondered how mindfulness can transform your life in this fast-paced world? In the whirlwind of our modern lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, losing ourselves in the process. But imagine if you could find a moment of serenity amidst the chaos. That's the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative practice that invites you to be fully present, to engage with your surroundings and your inner world with curiosity and kindness. It's about creating a space within yourself, a quiet corner where you can retreat and recharge. In a world where stress levels are high and attention spans are short, mindfulness offers a breath of fresh air. It helps reduce stress, fortify focus, and enhance overall well-being. It's like a compass, guiding you back to yourself, allowing you to navigate life's complexities with grace and resilience. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. The journey to mindfulness begins with a simple act: breathing. This act, so natural and vital, becomes an anchor, a touchstone to the present moment when approached with mindfulness. Let's explore the practice of mindful breathing, shall we? To begin, find a comfortable position, one that allows your body to relax but also maintains alertness. This could be sitting cross-legged, lying down, or even standing, whatever feels right for you. Now close your eyes. This is not a requirement, but can aid in reducing external distractions. Allow your attention to gently shift to your breath. Take a few deep, slow breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, the warmth of the exhaled breath. Notice the pause between inhalation and exhalation, the silence, the stillness. As you breathe, thoughts will arise, and that's okay. They're not intruders to be chased away, but guests to be acknowledged. When you find your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to your breath, back to this moment. Your breath is your anchor, your tether to the here and now. Think of mindful breathing as a form of meditation, a way to train your mind to focus, to observe without judgment. It's a journey inward, a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Mindful breathing allows you to ground yourself in the present moment, a fundamental aspect of cultivating mindfulness. It's a simple yet powerful tool, always available, always within reach. Let us now explore another powerful mindfulness technique, the body scan meditation. This practice invites us to journey inward, to delve into the subtle sensations of our physical being, allowing us to connect more deeply with the present moment. Imagine yourself in a calm and comfortable space. Close your eyes and take a few deep, grounding breaths to center yourself. Now, gently shift your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations you might be experiencing, whether it's tension, warmth, coolness, or perhaps nothing at all. There's no right or wrong here. Simply observe what is. Gradually, let your awareness trickle down, scanning each part of your body. From the forehead, eyebrows, eyes, moving down to your cheeks, nose, lips, chin, and neck. Continue this journey, traversing through your shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe. Then descend further down to your hips, thighs, knees, down to your ankles, and finally your toes. As you conduct this full body scan, you might encounter areas holding tension or discomfort. When you do, breathe into these spaces, and as you exhale, imagine releasing this tension, allowing that area to soften, to relax. Body scan meditation is an act of kindness towards ourselves, a way of saying, "I see you, I am here with you." It helps us tune into our bodies, enhancing our awareness and promoting relaxation. It's a gentle reminder that we are more than our thoughts, more than our emotions. We are beautifully complex beings living in this very moment. Mindfulness doesn't have to be a separate part of your day. It can be integrated into everyday activities. As we journey through life, we can transform mundane tasks into opportunities for deepening our mindfulness practice. Consider the act of walking. Typically, we view it as a means to an end, a simple method of getting from one place to another. But what if we could turn it into a form of meditation? Mindful walking encourages us to slow down, to observe each step, to feel our feet as they make contact with the ground. It asks us to notice the movement of our body, the rhythm of our breath, and the sensations we experience. The rustle of leaves underfoot, the warmth of the sun on our skin, the gentle whisper of the wind. By bringing our whole attention to the act of walking, we transform it into an exercise in mindfulness. But mindful walking is just one way to integrate mindfulness into our day. What about the other tasks we engage in? Eating, for instance. Instead of rushing through meals, we can slow down, savor each bite, appreciate the flavors and textures. We can express gratitude for the nourishment it provides, for the hands that prepared it. Even washing dishes can become a mindfulness practice. Feel the warmth of the water, the smoothness of the dishes, the scent of the soap. Notice the bubbles as they form and burst, the sound of water splashing. Instead of viewing it as a chore, see it as a moment to be fully present. The same goes for commuting. Instead of getting lost in thoughts about the day ahead or the events of the day gone by, we can use this time to tune into the present. Notice the feel of the steering wheel, the hum of the engine, the passing scenery. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you cultivate greater awareness and find joy in the ordinary. Life is made up of these small moments, each one an opportunity to be fully present, to connect with ourselves, and to savor the beauty of existence. The art of mindfulness is in recognizing these moments and choosing to fully engage in them. Remember, mindfulness is not about trying to clear your mind or stop your thoughts. It's about embracing the here and now, savoring the symphony of sensations, feelings, and thoughts that make up each moment. It's about being an observer of your own life, noticing the subtle shifts in your mind and body without judgment or expectation. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing through the sky of your awareness. They may be fluffy and light, or they might be dark and stormy, but either way, they're just passing through. You don't need to chase them down or push them away. Simply let them be, watching with curiosity and compassion. This gentle approach helps foster a sense of peace and acceptance, reducing stress, enhancing focus, and improving your overall well-being. So why not give it a try? The world of mindfulness is waiting for you to step in and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Thank you for joining us on this journey of mindfulness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's embrace the beauty of the present moment.